I wasn't going to do another video, but I thought, well, basically I have more prep to do. So you can see how we went around all the edges there with the caulking, and we nailed it. Well, now we need to do this side. We did up here some, but now we need to go up there and get that. And then later on I'll do a close-up of the bees once I get my stuff on and go way up there. I might start prepping right below them and see how that goes. I have to prep this area right here too, and then over here when I was priming, I'm pretty sure I ran into areas I didn't scrape yet. It seemed to be too rough, so I need to scrape all this, brush it. I know I did this right here, and I'm quite sure I did all of this, but then I didn't caulk all this and we didn't nail this. So can't stress it enough. Prep, 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 prep. It's a lot of work. It takes a lot of time, but it needs to be done to really, you really want to tighten things in. You don't want moisture gaps, moisture areas where moisture is going to go in and cause issues. So these can all be sealed up, little line of caulking, just like I did over there. In some places maybe it's not necessary. I mean, there really isn't much of a gap here, but you know, sometimes I just do it to be consistent, and then if there is a little gap, I get it. Up in there, I don't know, do I need to run some along that? I don't know, I'm not sure yet. Some of these things I can decide after I caulk, or after I prime, but for the most part I'm doing a lot of it. I mean, like an area like this, no reason not to add a little bit of caulking in there and get it sealed up really good. Okay, so let's get back to prep, get my mask on, and start scraping and nailing. And well, I might do some nailing first. I don't need my mask for that. Okay, let's get to work.